lights. Yeah, I just thought we could walk over there real quick and then we could go get the pork rinds. Where'd he go? Was it stuck on his foot? Was that the bag in the tree that he was carrying? Maybe he swooped through the tree. That was crazy. Where'd he go? Or maybe that's him. Try again. Are they chasing him? See what's over there. What are those seagulls doing? That was crazy. See what they're doing. I see a tire or something over there too. Whoa, there's lots of birds. Whoa. What are they doing? Can't see what the birds are doing. That was crazy, you guys. A bird just went by with like a bag. Look at them all. I'm gonna get pooped on for sure. Pooped on. What is it? Nothing. It's nothing. That was weird. Maybe he ditched the bag. That was weird. What's over there? Crazy. Don't see anything. Huh. That was weird. Look at all you seagulls. Yeah, okay, we're at the dump again. I just like to film seagulls sitting in a row.